guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get sound effects on iMovie on your iPhone and your MacBook computer, and I will also show you some of my favorite sound effects. Let's get into the video. So if you are on iMovie on your iPhone, then all you're going to do is press the plus icon on the left side of the screen, and then you're just going to go into audio and then press sound effects. And then iMovie will give you a whole bunch of sound effects. So for your computer, it's actually super similar. All you're going to do is press audio right next to My Media, and then you're just going to press sound effects. And iMovie actually gives you so many super fun sound effects that I literally use all the time in my videos. So these are some of my favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!